Feels like the good old days. Look at this. Here we are, sitting down, drawing like the good old days, and rethinking everything like the good old days. I guess nothing has changed. Hey, listen, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to art, all things art, and I'm expanding it a little bit. This channel has seen some rough times. It's basically seen itself become a dead channel. Yeah, it says 13,000 subscribers, but none of our subscribers get notifications. So if you're one of those previous subscribers and you're excited to see this video, please make sure to hit that notification button, that little bell. It really will make a difference. We've seen videos only get 20 views with 13,000 subscribers. I know the math doesn't add up, does it? It definitely does not. But all the same, I still want to have my fun, still want to share some of the artwork I'm doing with you, especially some of my fine art. That's right, I've gone to oil paintings and watercolors and all kinds of crazy stuff. Caricatures were the start of my life, and I have come so far since then. I definitely still do caricatures. They're still a main part of my business. But when it comes down to it, I have gone so much further in the world of art, and I don't want to pigeonhole us by just talking about caricatures, but Tim Lee's art in general, if you will. Now, yes, if you watch my previous videos, I've rebranded multiple times, as I'm sure you know. More recently, in the last 6 years, becoming Tim Lee instead of Tim Michael. And that's because of some radio stuff I was doing, and everyone around here knows me as Tim Lee, so I just kind of stuck with it. And I've stuck with it with my art as well. It's been very beneficial. So basically what I'm doing here is making my profile picture for the channel now that we've rebranded, if you will. And one thing I wanted to try and do was do oil painting style in Clip Studio. So you'll look that I've made a paint palette of the main colors that you would usually use for this sort of thing. That'd be ultramarine blue, yellow, cadmium red, raw umber, also have Naples yellow, have burnt umber, then I also have black and white. And those are all the colors that I used to do the piece that you see in front of you here. I personally love mixing my own colors these days since moving into the world of painting on canvases, and so the idea of being able to use a brush in Clip Studio and mix my own colors is honestly more appealing than using the color wheel. I know it sounds weird, doesn't it? If you get into the world of art on more paper and canvas, you might find the same thing happening to you. And if that's the case, I welcome you to it because it is really exciting. I don't have much to tell you about this, so all I'm going to do is ask you if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you want to know. If not, I'm just going to keep creating whatever. And it will be random, sparse, all over the place. But this is my little diary of me. And I have a podcast called The Tim Lee Method. And it's all about creating legacies, and I want to leave as many legacies behind as I can. My art and teaching art and the many forms of art that I'm doing, they all mean something very deeply to me. So, instead of trying to find a place to put them because YouTube decided to demonetize this channel, well, who cares about the demonetization? Who cares about the lack of money? Let's just get back to work, and let's just have fun. And let's just keep going. And let's just keep working on that legacy. So that when I die, these videos will be here to teach someone else how to paint, how to become inspired, how to find your touch, how to find your voice. I just want to leave a legacy. That is the Tim Lee method. And I hope that as I'm looking for my legacies and I'm sharing them with you, that you're doing the same thing in your life. Leave a legacy. Make a difference while you're here on this planet. And that's what my podcast is about. That's what my life is about. That's what my life as a Christian is about. And oh, so much more. But it's been a long time, so I just wanted to let you know, life is really great. I'm self-employed. I'm still an artist. I do draw quite a few caricatures still. And I've been a very busy little boy. And you can see some of what I've been up to on my other channel, Legacy Studio, and Tim Lee Method, and and many, many other places. I have been very busy, but life is good. And you know what? A lot has happened since I created this YouTube channel, and there's a lot to share with you, especially in the world of art. And I'll look forward to doing that in the future. Until then, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video. I hope you enjoy my new little self-caricature that's supposed to lean towards the painterly approach that I would use in painting, but also the caricature approach that you've seen me do for so long. Ask your questions, let me know what you want to see, inspire me, be that inspiration as you once were, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.